to flooded road, and after that I'm going to have breakfast. I'll see you later. Right, we have a good breakfast already. Now we are ready to go around the island. You have. This is the duplex. Okay, this is the duplex, and you have like this.
On the top floor we have the bed.
And
the ground floor we have
the living room.
But in case the clients wants their kids to stay in the ground, we will remove this one and we will put additional single room beds.
Yeah, because to stay for them on top is not feasible.
Yeah. And this rooms we don't have that kind of wardrobe, and it's only.
So this room is with the terrace, small balcony, and then with the ocean view.
Small.
If like say even 6 people, let's say if you are selling it like $800, it's only like 150 per person. So if it is like a group of friends, this is fantastic. Right, after all the rooms that we saw just now, all is actually very nice. What I noticed here is in this island, it's slightly bigger than well, it's not like slightly bigger, it's actually quite big island. They have complete sport activity, and their sea is fantastic. The beach is so clean. and I saw the fishes are like so peacefully swimming near the beach, and I don't even need to go to snorkel. You can just see them, swimming by the surface. It's like, oh my god, I never see anything like that. And now we are going to go a little bit out to do the snorkel, the proper snorkel. What I hope that I will meet the turtles and the sharks. A couple last night told me, who stayed here for 1 week, that they found like hundreds of sharks, or maybe not hundreds, maybe like lots of sharks at the snorkeling point. So let's see. I hope I'm lucky. I'm going to the diving center to take the gear. And after this, let's do this.